Plan for today is to put the gutter and the fascia on here, and the gutter up there. And then I'm going to go inside and start prepping for paint while Sam finishes up this area up here. I'll take you up here and show you this. We got to redo the roof, well, this flat roof right here, so the water runs this way. Right now it's running this way, and if we kept it that way, they would all run into the house. The bathroom for the downstairs tenant is below this. And then we're gonna put siding on all this, just so that it looks a little bit nicer. So the plan is to spray everything that's white. Everything. The doors, the baseboards, the ceiling, everything. We're gonna spray everything that's white. And then after that, I can paint all the walls. Paint and cut in everything. I got all the flooring that's staying covered up. I gotta retape all this. But I still have to tape all in here. I got all this outlet covers pulled already. The switches are covered up. All this has to be taped still. So let's get to it. I'm mopping the perimeter, not so much to clean the floor, but so the tape sticks. So I got everything taped off. I'm stirring this with my handy dandy J channel. And we're gonna spray everything that's white. Trim, ceiling, everything. Before I spray, I'm gonna walk around one more time and make sure I got the majority of everything taped off. So that's about it for today. I gotta get my paint sprayer cleaned up. And then I got an estimate to go to in about 30 minutes or so. So we will pick back up tomorrow. I did get everything sprayed. Tomorrow we're gonna roll the walls, cut everything in, and start getting this place put back together. What's up guys, welcome back. It is noon. I haven't gotten anything accomplished yet except run errands. Luckily the other guys are getting things done. Sam's over at the rental working, and then Michael and Dan are working in the bathroom at Catawba. That's where I'm heading now. I gotta drop off some materials, and then hopefully I can get back to the rental and work on that for a while. I have an estimate at 1 o'clock today. After I drop these materials off, I gotta run and go talk to that guy. When I get out to Catawba, I'll take a quick video so you can see what we got going on there. This is the Catawba bathroom we're working on. They got the bathtub and surrounding, uncoupling membrane down, a couple tiles placed, drywall's on its first coat. All in all, they're doing very well for only being there a few days. Sorry about the portrait mode. I have my phone turned the wrong way. Let's get back to the video. All right, I got the plastic pulled off, and I'm gonna start by cutting this whole house in. Ceiling, baseboards, doors, everything. Then I'll go back and roll. Why am I cutting them first? There's no reason. It's just I prefer to cut first because it takes longer than rolling. So once I get all the cutting done, I'll go back through and roll it, which is probably gonna be tomorrow. I only got a couple hours left today. This room took extra long to paint because this wallpaper has like ridges. And then when the brush starts to even run out a little bit of paint, it doesn't want to go over those ridges. So then you got to go vertical with it just to paint all that. It's a pain in the butt, but we got her done. Michael's in here rolling. I got some reinforcements. I would say we'll probably get this whole house painted today. And Dan is in here cutting in this bedroom. Well, the gutter's on, that gutter's on, and I'll take you up here and show you this. We got this whole area done. So when you walk up the stairs, that light right there is a dusk to dawn light. So it comes on at nighttime, shuts off in the daytime. The tenant's not home right now. This motion switch right here will get turned on and off when she walks by, but the switch is off. That recessed light right there turns off and on by that motion switch. And then this is all white. It looks good. It smells like silicone in here really bad. This right here is about an 1/8 inch thick silicone. And we just put it on there to keep everything from leaking when wind-driven rain gets in here. When it dries, I'm gonna take a piece of outdoor carpet and staple it to this, just so it looks better. So this will keep it from leaking, and the outdoor carpet will make it look a little nicer. But all in all, for what it is, it turned out pretty good.
Just came to accept it. When in doubt, there's a camera somewhere. When in doubt, there's a camera out.
At some point today or tomorrow, we got to rattle can all these grates. I want to do it. I got 2 of them, 2 cans. I want to do it in one of the bedrooms. We got everything painted yesterday, and they started putting the outlet covers on. It looks pretty good. We have some touch up to do in places, but all in all, it's not bad.